Hello friends, welcome to our channel CAD CAM Solution Merit, and this is Umesh Arora. Today we will create this part, and here we have some views. This is my top view, front view, sectional side view, and sectional front view. And here is one detailed view. So this is an isometric view. So we will combine all these views and we will create a 3D part which is like this. Uh, In these views, I will start from this front view because from the front I will cover all the part. So this half portion I will create and I will revolve this sketch about the axis. So let's start with this front view. So here we have this part which I have already created. So we will start from the fresh. So go to file and click over the new. Units are in millimeter and sketch. Select this front view. Now I will adjust that drawing and the annex. Okay, now both views are visible properly. So here I will start. The diameter of this lower portion is 30. So click near about 15 and then a little bit up. Now finish. And the middle portion, this is 50 and here it is near about 36. Now select this arc and draw two arcs which must be tangent to each other. Select both arc and make them tangential. Now I will define all the dimension. 50, this is 15 and this is 36 and the diameter is 50 and close and drag it so we can define this radius, and this radius is 20 and this height still remain, and this line and arc both will tangential, make them tangential. Okay, so this distance is 8 plus 10, it is 10, so change it to 10, close it. Now all the dimensions are defined. Just exit, finish the sketch. Now I will select this revolve command and select this sketch. Now I will define the axis. This is my axis and limit is 360 degree, so it will revolve 360 degree. Now from the top you can see this some cuts are there, so sketch at the bottom or at the top, select any plane. Now select a circle and the dimension of this circle is 75, 72 is the diameter, so change it to 72, which will be same as this lower length. Now draw two horizontal lines and define this gap is, this gap is 44, so half of 44 is 22 and same here 22 close. Now I will trim extra lines. These line I don't require these lines, so trim all this line. Now finish the sketch. My sketch is fully constrained. You should be notice each and every time when you create the sketch. Select this. Now extend the limit, and this time I want to cut outside portion of this part. So I have to select this offset two-sided and define offset outside of this body, so it will cut the extra portion. Now hide this sketch. Okay, see, now we have to make it hollow. So select shell command, and the thickness is 2 mm. See here, it is 2 mm, not diameter, it is the thickness is 2 mm. And the bottom distance is 8. So I will select alternate thickness for this bottom face, and this distance is 8, and click OK. If you want to check this, go to view and select a new section. Now you can match this view from the section. And now I will create this cut at the front view. Select front view, and I will start from the circle. So draw a circle, and the diameter of this circle is 22.5 is the radius. So 45 is diameter. Make origin and the center of this circle vertically aligned, and the distance between this center of this circle and the bottom point is 60. So change it to 60. Close. We have one offset. So go to offset, select this curve, and the offset is 2. Click OK. Now two lines are there. So draw one line, one another line, and trim. Sorry, undo. Okay, again select this trim. I don't require these line are not properly touched, and the distance is still remaining. So define this gap is 10, and same here, this gap is also 10 millimeter. Okay, now I will trim this curve. Okay, just undo this and select this extend. Now these lines are properly joined. Okay, finish this, and I will select extrude command to cut this. Select the symmetric value so that it will cut symmetrically on the both side. See, now this groove is there, so I will create this from the front view and draw a circle of diameter 8, sorry 4. Diameter is 4, and this distance is 10, and from the vertical line it is half of 30, means 15. Close this, draw a line using this quadrant point and draw. Now trim it. Okay, now our section is fully constant. 4, this gap is 4, the diameter will be 4. Finish it. Now I will revolve this sketch about the axis of this part, and it must be unite with the previous parts, so boolean will be unite. Only one cut is remaining, which is inside this. So select this top view, you can say bottom. Now draw two circle, one, one another circle. Select both center and make them vertically align with the origin. Select circle, both circle, and select equal radius. This circle and this outer curve edge, edge of the cell, both edge of shell. Sorry, it is pick the center. We need this edge and tangent. Okay, the diameter of this circle is 10 over 20. 20 is the diameter. Close. Now draw two lines. We will trim. Okay, again define this. 5. Close. Here it is. 5. Okay. This gap, we don't require this gap. Radius is 10. Close. Okay, the center is not properly aligned with this. Now my sketch is fully defined. Finish it and cut it with the help of extrude command. I'm going to cut it. Automatically boolean is subtract. Hide this sketch. Now see, our model is complete. If you want to specify the shading and color, go to display and select any color. It is a little bit transparent. So this is our model. Hope you understand this properly. If you have any queries, you can comment me, and if you like this video, please subscribe the hit button. Thank you for watching.